Let's turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone so you can share your content with ease. Let's get started. First, open up the setting app on the iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the general. In general, you will find the option AirPlay and Handoff. Please tap on it. Then please click on the top option of automatically AirPlay. Here you will find three options. You can choose Ask or Automatic. You can choose any one between Ask and Automatic, but please don't press on Never. Then please go to your home screen. Then swipe down the control panel from the top right corner of the screen. Look for the screen mirroring icon. Tap on the screen mirroring icon to see a list of available devices to mirror to. Your iPhone will search for compatible devices. Once it finds the device you want to mirror to, tap on it to connect. I don't have any device available, so it does not show any devices on the list. And that is it. Thank you for watching.